Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. A class action lawsuit has been filed against Sandals Resort International, claiming that the company has engaged in deceptive tax collection practices for decades. The suit alleges that Sandal properties throughout the Caribbean charge fees with a claim that they are local government taxes, but are instead retained in part or in full for the resort's own use, benefit and profit. The class action suit was filed this week in Florida by a Miami law firm. The law firm said it's aggressively pursuing litigation against the hotel chain and disclosed that it's seeking a jury trial. In response, Sandals has denied the claims and said it intends to vigorously defend itself. Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $134.92. The Canadian dollar closed at $100.57. The pound is being sold for $170.61, while the euro is going for $152.39. The JC index gained 3,943 points today, while the junior market index advanced 10 points. Among the winners today were Wigton Wind Farm, Consolidated Bakeries, Express Catering, Maybury Investments, and Jamaica Producers Group. On the losing side were iCreate, Lasco Manufacturing, Main Event, Entertainment Group, Victoria Mutual Investments, and Seprod. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.